fellow babies. This is your Tuesday morning garden update, week 11. Let's dive right on in. Onions are looking nice. They're starting to brown up on top a good bit. And so, like that one's leaning over. When they all start to do that, I'm just going to force them over and let that energy spin down from these and make the bulbs bigger. Marigold's just wide as can be. I've got to get that Cape Gooseberry out because it's just taken over that area and covered up too many of my plants. Like I've got some cilantro back there, some German thyme. Can barely even see the rose bush, so that's probably coming out today. My parsley's doing nice. Actually, my parsley's doing extremely nice. I've been getting a lot of it out, just chopping it around the edges when I need some. Dill weeds coming up real good. Gonna have a lot of dill seeds. Can use those straight for pickling. Asparagus. If you get down here and look, you can see some asparagus growing. That actually looks like asparagus, not like this fern stuff. There's another one there. So the root system seems to be doing pretty good. Hopefully they'll keep sprouting and I'll be able to save them this winter and have forever asparagus. Tomatoes. I have so many tomatoes on the porch and I've been giving away a lot, and I still have many more growing and coming up. Now this one's got blight or something just like those other ones did, so that's probably going to be a goner. This little vine one here is growing pretty good. It's got another little growth spurt on it right now. Some more little tomatoes to be. But they're all the way down. That one there looks like it's getting some kind of yellowing going on. Maybe it's just past its peak for this plant. But this one right here, this little cherry one, this is called Super Sweet 100. And I've probably gotten over 100 tomatoes off of this plant already. I mean, they are everywhere. And mind you, this is just one plant. Look at all these tomatoes here that ain't even turned red yet. And it goes all the way up. I mean, that's a pretty big bush too. It goes pretty good ways around. Let's move back on down the line this way. My potatoes. Still green on this side. They're starting to die back on that side. I'm guessing it was the two different types that I ended up planting. I think these are red potatoes. And I think those down there are the Yukon Gold. My beans are just about spent as far as my pintos. But my northern beans, they started giving me some more bigger pods. So I'll have some more northern beans coming out soon. I still have some down there that I need to get. Gotta get my black beans out. I gotta say, this is gonna be a shorter video because my battery is already cutting off on me. I'm gonna have to order me a new battery. It seems I've worn this one out over the years. But let's look at this okra right quick. Don't know why it's growing in patches higher than others. But definitely we've got some taller ones on this side. This is that first one that actually sprouted out. Look how thick that stalk is. I mean, it's some really good size okra, and we have one here that we can see. There's one there. So it's starting to give us a little bit. I've been getting more on this side than this side, and I'm not real sure why. Alright, another quick run on my corn. These guys are getting tall. They're growing really nice corn ears on them. Some of them are strange looking. But you can see the tops of these on this end here getting spent. They're rounding off really nice. Won't be, maybe I guess another 10 to 14 days. My sweet potatoes here. Man, they're just bushing out real nice. And I had a flower. that come off, and they look just like the morning glories. They say these are part of the morning glory family. I totally see that. Now I know. This is the first time I've done sweet potatoes, and I gotta say, I'm pretty pleased. My peppers. This is my Dragon Cayenne here. I've been getting several of them off. In fact, look here. I may have a bug problem, because I got a few on the ground. Those are just freebie. As you can see, the rest of the peppers are doing pretty nice. They're finally getting a little bit more height on them, bushier. Got a lot of habaneros on this. Several over there. Habaneros are doing real good. I'm excited to see what these jalapenos are going to do for me. Look at the size of the eggplant. There's my thumb. It's a good one. These are the black beauties. These are the Ichabans. There's several on here still. This one's neat. It's growing in a circle. Never seen one do that before. And my white eggplants are doing pretty good as well. They're leaned over. I can't get them to stand up. I gotta get some rhubarb or something. Well, my cucumbers aren't doing that well. I started getting some more of that powdery mildew over top of it. Tried to take care of it, and it really hadn't done any help. Sadly. Alrighty, well, thank you so much for watching my garden update, week number 11. My apologies for the shortness of the film. I hope you all have a very wonderful and blessed day.
Take it by your silence that I'm free to walk out the door. By the look in your eyes, I can tell you don't think I'll be back for more. Try to think of a world where you could stay in the safe hands could go. Take your heart above the water, wherever I choose to go. Take it by your silence that I'm free to walk out